Where are you at now in terms of blank? Where do you want to be? You guys need to ask this early on in your sales career. Some of you are too busy focused on like, how do I have something in common with this person? How can I make small talk? That's building your house on a house of cards. That's building there's no foundation there. But when you know where that client is in terms of blank and where they want to be, no matter how many times they complain, no matter how many times they don't like your pricing, no matter how many objections you have, wind, flood, rain, all the stuff that happens in your sales career, you're built on bedrock. Because that bedrock is not, hey, we have something in common and we both like this team or we both like this activity. Your bedrock is you know where the hell they're at right now and where they want to go. Where are you at in terms of blank, fill in the blank, where do you want to be, right? Maybe it's like this, hey, where are you at in terms of top line revenue right now? Where do you want to be? Hey, Rick, just out of curiosity, where are you at in terms of top line revenue for the organization right now? Where do you want to be? That's one that can go back to most all of our deals. We can trace back to revenue. Where are you at in terms of, let's say I was talking to a multifamily portfolio, units, apartments, whatever you want to call it, okay? Hey, Mike, just out of curiosity, where are you at in terms of units owned right now? Where do you want to be? Oh man, great question. We have got 4,200 units and we're hoping to get to 7,000 by 2026. What a dynamic question to ask if you work for Zillow, if you sell for rent, if you sell for all of those things. Yet none of those people in that industry ask that. They say, if I could have 10 minutes of your time, I'd love to walk you through our new dashboard. People don't buy new dashboards. They buy tools that help them get from 4,200 units to over 6,000 by 2026. Boom! A bedrock gosh darn foundation. Okay? Let's say you're in financial services. Where are you at in terms of net worth right now? Where do you want to be? Where are you at in terms of net worth right now? Where do you want to be? Where are you? Maybe you're in HR. Maybe you're a recruiter. Where are you at in terms of employee ramp-up time? Where do you want to be? No recruiters are asking this. They should. Well, I'm a recruiter. What the heck does that have? What does employee ramp-up time have to do with being a recruiter? I just want to give them candidates. No, you want to be a skillful recruiter that makes 10 times more than every other recruiter. And you want to figure out that employee ramp-up is killing them right now. It's taking them 4 times too long to get somebody productive. And if they could get the right candidates in there, they could get that person ramped up within 30 days, which would mean X to their top line revenue. Hence why I said top line revenue is kind of a universal one. Where are you at right now in terms of assets under management? Where do you want to be? Let's say I was a financial planner. Let's say I was a financial advisor. Where are you at in terms of AUM? That's their industry term. AUM, assets under management. Where do you want to be? Nobody is asking this stuff, guys. Start asking this and your sale will get a lot easier. Start asking this and you will be built on bedrock. You will be concrete touching granite. And when they complain about your price, when they complain about your contract, when they complain about this, you can say, hey, because of the fact that you told me you've got 60 million assets under management, you want to get to over $250 million. That's why I recommended it this way, and that's why it costs what it costs. You can be cool, calm, collective, and you can survive those storms. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're gonna catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future. And you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.